Hey, what's going on, guys? Calvin Russell here, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit. Hope everyone's doing well today. Good to see you guys. Let's get started. So today we're going to show you all how you guys can get all of your subscription services, especially the popular ones, reported to your credit report. Now, this is different than Experian Boost. As we know, Experian Boost, they do the same thing. However, a couple of issues that people have with Experian Boost is, one, they still are not connected to every single bank. So some people are having issues getting the bank that they are usually used to working with. They're used to, having obviously a certain bank that they work with. But the problem is that the bank that they work with is sometimes not on that list. OK, they're adding banks all the time and things of that sort. But even if you can get Experian Boost, it only reports those subscription services to Experian reports only. OK, versus if you go with this new company that we just found called Grow Credit. OK, now with Grow Credit, you're able to take your subscription services and then you're able to get that payment history added to your credit bureaus. OK, so let's show you guys how it works. By the way, if you guys want to go there, just go to park850.com and the link is going to be right at the top. All right. So all you guys got to do is, of course, you got to have subscription services. I'm sure you guys got some subscription services. I see some of y'all online. No, I'm kidding. But anyway, you get the credit for paying your subscriptions. So they report your on-time payments to all three credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, which is going to obviously help you establish and boost your credit score. OK, so how it works is all you got to do is create an account. All right. And so you're going to apply for the Grow Credit interest-free MasterCard. Then you're going to connect that to your bank account. All right. Then next, you're going to add your subscriptions. OK, once you do that, and of course, there's about 100 subscriptions that are available. And again, it's going to be the most popular ones that are obviously out there. OK, then number three, you're going to be able to use the MasterCard as the payment method. OK, so you're just simply changing the payment method since it's connected to your bank. OK, and then, of course, you don't have to get any new subscription services, guys. Of course, if you want to, you most definitely can. And then just make sure that the payment method is, of course, with the Grow credit card. OK, and then, of course, just sit back and then watch your credit grow. Your subscriptions are going to be paid with your new card and your payments are going to be made consistently every single month, which is obviously going to help you build your credit. OK, this is a game changer simply because now you're going to be able to get all of your subscription services on all of the three credit bureaus. And it's something that you guys already have. So you don't have to worry about adding certain different types of accounts and things of that sort. These are bills that you're already paying on time each and every single month. OK, guys. So to go ahead and get started, again, just go to park850.com and the link is going to be right at the top. All right. So, of course, if you guys like this video, like it. If you guys want to share it, share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe as we got nothing but great content well on the way, guys. I'll see you guys on the next video.